So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, if you see Microsoft Teams open, you want to click on it and then click on end task. Make sure that you have Microsoft Teams fully closed. Now after Microsoft Teams is fully closed, we're going to head over to search and type in %appdata %sign. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Microsoft. And now we're going to click on Teams. You want to delete everything in this folder. I've only got 3 things here. You're probably going to have way more things than me. However, you want to delete everything in this folder. So you want to do Control A and then click on delete. Delete everything in the Teams folder. Now you can open up Microsoft Teams again, see if that works for you. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find Microsoft Teams. Click on the 3 dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall Microsoft Teams. Now after you uninstall Microsoft Teams, you can now re-download it again, either from the Microsoft Teams website or from the Microsoft Store. This should now fix your problem.